I'm gonna make me an ULU today. This is one I made before to make it out of saw blades. I made a couple templates. I'm gonna make a new kind. Put these in here. We're gonna cut them on out from the saw blade. Take it off just like that. This is my template I made. Just go around, trace it. Just like so. Then I'll do my other one. Alright. Use the cutter here. A little water on it. Alright, that goes down. There we go. Cut it down this way. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we got them both out. Turn this into a handle for the knife I'm making. How about that? So we could use this handle. Alright, got that in a vise. So let's put a slit down it. Right down the middle. I just placed the blade in that slot now. But I think I got it right where I want it. Go ahead and grind this on down. This is what I got so far. This is 320 sand. Let's take a little close look at it. Looking pretty. Just got to install these guys. These other ends, these are just screws. Get this other guy on there too. For sharpening, I'm going to use this sander here. Got 220 grit, and I'm just going to go down and down. Pull these in with glue. Dried overnight. Now I need to sharpen these a little more. I want to make it really sharp. Yes. Alright, I'm going to put a little coating on this polyurethane. I just stuck it in my vise so it'll be upside down so I don't get nothing dripping down on the blade. There we go, just like that. Let that dry. Well, these are dry now, and I'll show you what I made these for. The main purpose I made these for. Super modified ULUs. Let me show you the main reason I made these knives. I made these knives so you could get all the pressure in your hands. Whenever you use a regular knife, you can't really get the pressure like this. You got to hold it down like my old ways. Let me show you that real quick. Like this, like the old ways used to with the knife. I mean, that's the way to normally do it, but it's a lot of strain. I mean, if you do a lot of them, but this way there's no strain, no pressure. You just push your pressure right down, and it's just easy. So watch, when I do the strips, you just push it in like right here. You got all the pressure in the world with your, just holding it, and it's easy, like that. And then we'll come on up here, just push down. Then see, I'm making my strips. Just hold it, just pull, and that's it. You made your strip right there. Just cut clean, smooth with this. Alright, that's the main reason I made this. The other ways with the knife is how I used to do it, and it's more strain on your wrist, but this way there's no strain on your wrist at all. Nothing. You're just, and it's easier, and you can push all the pressure down. Anyway, check it on out. Make one of these. If you like make a lot of strips, you're gonna have to get one of these right here. Doesn't, you could also use it just for like this, just for cutting anything, because it got so much pressure. And this is frozen fish too. Look at that, frozen. But with that, you could do it, frozen or not. Here are the knives I made. All right, you have a good one now.